Jai Hind cadets, today we are going to study about the third chapter of NCERT book Water Resources. Basically in this chapter we have to study about the map work. Theoretical questions will be not asked from this chapter, but map work question will be asked from this chapter for the session to 2020-21 exam. The questions which will be asked by CBSE from this chapter will be related to locate and label the major dams of India on different rivers. So this is the sample map which used to come with question paper, and two types of questions are asked by CBSE. First one is identification questions. Second one is locate and labeling questions. For identification questions, two things will be marked here. Two blank line will be already mentioned here in the form of A and B. This is the question related to identification. This place cadet will write their answer and the clue question will be given in the question paper. This is identification type. Second is locate and labeling. This locate and labeling question will be given in the question paper, and in this blank space, in this particular states of India, different states of India, cadet will locate and label the related questions which we ask in question paper by CBSE. So these are the two types of questions generally asked by CBSE. Now class 10th cadets, for this year you have to study about the 8 dams. Any one question will be asked from this chapter. Any one from 8. It is very easy to remember. Here this map, many dams are given, but cadets you have to study only 8 dams. First is Salal project, Bhakra Nangal dam, Tehri dam, Rana Pratap Sagar, Sardar Sarovar, Hirakund, Nagarjun Sagar and Tungabhadra. These all 8 questions you have to locate on the map of India. Blank map will be given with question paper in final board exams. Now the first dam is Salal project. Salal project. Salal project official name is Salal Hydroelectric Power Stations. Location is in Jammu and Kashmir. This is the place, Salal Dam, on river is Chenab river. This is the Chenab river flowing. Here is the Chenab river flowing, and the name of this union territory is Jammu and Kashmir. This dam is gravity dam. What is gravity dam? A gravity dam is a dam constructed from concrete or stone masonry and designed to hold back water by using the weight of the material alone to resist the horizontal pressure of the water pushing against it. This is gravity dam. Gravity dams are designed so that each section of the dam is stable and independent of any other dam. So this is only for knowledge. Here only you have to do locate and leveling. Blank map will be there, and on blank map you have to make one river and locate the place. Locate this dam. Only this much you have to do. Salal project, you have to remember Chenab river. Location is Jammu and Kashmir, and the name of the river is Chenab. Next river, Bhakra Nangal Dam. Bhakra Nangal Dam, first we will see the location. Location is in Himachal Pradesh. Here is Himachal Pradesh, and this is the location of Bhakra Nangal Dam. So location is in Himachal Pradesh state. Name of the dam is Bhakra Nangal Dam, and the river is Satluj River. This is the Satluj River on which this dam has been built. Next, Tehri Dam. Tehri Dam, first we will see the location. Location is in Uttarakhand state. This place, Tehri, Uttarakhand state. Name of the river is Bhagirathi River. Bhagirathi River. This is the river Bhagirathi, and on this river Tehri Dam has been built, and the name of the state is Uttarakhand state. Next dam is Rana Pratap Sagar. First we will see the location. Location is in Rawat Bhata district, Rajasthan. We will go to Rajasthan state. This is the Rajasthan state. Rana Pratap Sagar here. This is the location of this dam. River, it is on Chambal River. This Chambal River is a tributary of Yamuna River. Chambal River will merge into the Yamuna River, and Yamuna River again it will merge to the Ganga River, and head steep of this Ganga River will go ahead. So Chambal, on Chambal River, Rana Pratap Sagar dam has been built, and state is Rajasthan. So three things we have to remember. First is states, then river, and the next one is name of the dam. Rana Pratap Sagar is in Rajasthan, and the name of the river is Chambal River. Next is Sardar Sarovar Dam. First we will see the location. Location is here in Narmada Valley. This is the river Narmada. Narmada Valley, Narmada River, Narmada Valley, Narmada Valley, Narmada Valley. This is Narmada Valley, and here Sardar Sarovar Dam has been built here. This river is flowing into different states, and by this dam, these are the states who used to get benefit: Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. These are the states who gets benefit from this Sardar Sarovar Dam. It is on Narmada River, and the state is Gujarat. Hirakund Dam. Hirakund Dam, first we will see the location. Sambalpur, 16.5 km from Sambalpur, and the name of the state is Odisha. We will see this is the Odisha state. Name of the river is Mahanadi. Mahanadi River. This is the Mahanadi River, and on this Mahanadi River Hirakund Dam has been built. It is quite clear. This is the east flowing river, and this river finally making mouth near the Bay of Bengal, and all the water moves from this river to the Bay of Bengal. Sardar Sarovar Dam, river Narmada. This river is moving westward direction and finally goes to Arabian Sea. Nagarjun Sagar. Nagarjun Sagar, first we will see the location. Here it is given Guntur district Andhra Pradesh and Nalgonda district Telangana. Means in both the state Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is the location place of this Nagarjun Sagar Dam. Here Nagarjun Sagar Dam. Name of the river is Krishna. Krishna river is east flowing river originating from the Western Ghats. Here is the Western Ghat. Slope is towards the east. That is why river is moving towards the east direction, and this is the place of location of Nagarjun Sagar Dam on river Krishna. And finally the water goes to the Bay of Bengal because it is east flowing river. So location is in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Name of the river is Krishna. Name of the dam is Nagarjun Sagar. So cadets, you have to locate very exactly. Next is Tungabhadra Dam. Tungabhadra, again first we will see the location. The location is in the state of Karnataka. This place Tungabhadra. The name of the river is Tungabhadra river, and the dam which is built on here is Tungabhadra Dam. State is Karnataka. River name is Tungabhadra, which is again the tributary of river Krishna, and the name of this dam is Tungabhadra Dam. This is a multi-purpose project. So these are the questions which will come in the board exams. So this is the sample map which used to come in the question paper, and either locate and labeling, or you have to identify the dams. You have to locate or identify on this type of map and attach this map with answers sheet. Thank you.